You bring up a really good point about the points that a print can fail. And I love that analogy you give of printing something on paper, which not a lot of people do anymore anyway. Do you remember the days we all had desktop printers? That's all died. But let's say in your dental office, everyone knows how to print, it's pretty easy. But with dental 3D printing, you're totally right. And I think that's another knowledge piece that's missing and something that's kind of undersold about how many things can go wrong. And a lot of people have no idea what to do with this failed prints.
Yeah, it's something that companies don't want to talk about because they want to make it seem easy. It's very relative because people who are using printers and technology find that easy, but other users find that intimidating. So it's about building the technology for the lowest common denominator so that it's democratized and everybody can get on board. And there's still a lot of work to be done in automation for the chairside part. I think Formlabs, Printray, they've made a lot of developments with their releases this year, which attune to the user experience and error reduction in the process, or let's say dummy proofing the process as an overall. I see that that's pretty much where the industry needs to be at to get this kind of double digit adoption, because a good benchmark is the scanner players. So in a market like America, 50% of clinics own a scanner. And in other countries, it's still a double digit number. It's not single digit anymore. So they've seen that exponential growth rate over the last 5 years. When is printing going to get there? That's the next question. So when's that hockey stick growth going to turn up? I think that before that turns up, these couple of things with automation, user experience, training, and application based workflows need to be in place first. And whoever's got that whole loop, I think they're going to take a decent chunk of the business. That may be a player that's currently doing extremely well, or maybe a new company that's thrown their hat into the ring.